So, what you got there, pal? You got you. I look. Can I hold it just for a minute, and then maybe throw it for you? You think about it. Ah! Can I have it? Give it. Maybe. Let me have it, because if you want to play, oh, you just want to play keep away. You do not. Oh, it's a squeaker. Okay. Hecker. Okay, this time I just want to scratch. I just want to give some scratches and some pets. No, yeah, there we go. All right, scratching right here. Yeah, pretty good. I want you to catch it. You ready? Ah, that's my boy.